What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Claude AI when it's not working or gets stuck in the loading screen. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. If needed, switch to another network and try opening Claude again. Next, sign out of your Claude account and sign back in to refresh your session. If the issue continues, clear your browser's cache and cookies. In Chrome, open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then clear your browsing data. You should also disable any browser extension, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, as they can sometimes prevent Claude from loading properly. Finally, make sure your browser is updated to the latest version, then restart it and try opening Claude again. And that's it. That's how to fix Claude when it's not working or stuck on loading. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.